welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this parallax effect. If you're ready, I'm ready. Come with me, let's go. So welcome back, guys. This video is inspired by my friend on X, Legend Ends. He did this Model-3 replica and I just said, okay, why not, let's prototype this. So I already downloaded the image and break them down into different components as I would need. So the first image is this that I'm using for the home page, right? So I need to break down the image, separate the car background and the foreground. So what I mean by the background is the road and the mountain, and the foreground, which is the sky and the car. So as you can see here, I have my 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, so let's get down into designing. So I have my frame here, so I can drag this into and also bring the background into it, the sky into it. So let's do some adjusting. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do is to bring in the car, which is the subject, into the frame. So once I have this frame, so let me bring in my section into it, bring this up. Okay, so that is done. Now once I have this, so the next thing I need to do is to bring in my text, so which is the Model-3. Yes, I can bring in my text in here. Increase the size. I'm holding shift to make it balance. You can have this here like this. Once this is done, we already have those frames. So I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to walk back. So what I want to do is to have this car a little like this, then my background and foreground, let me increase them very well. You're going to, yes, have it something like this. Yeah, and I want the model to be smaller a little. Yes, just perfect. Centralize this, and I'm going to sandwich it in between the sky and the mountain. So I need to bring this down another layer, this. So I need to have the background up and this layer down. So this can be in the middle. Yes, just like this. So I use my mouse to take it down a little more. That's just perfect. So you can see we have this, and I can now take this up also. Yes, up out of the frame. Yeah, so we start from here, then we move transition down here now to the next frame. So I'm going to copy this, yeah. So to the next frame, so basically the car is coming in like this, while this all zoom out. So I'm going to select everything here on the car, then I increase the size, this, and take it up. Go back into this. Then I introduce the car right here, increase the Model-3, make it white, turn it white, and increase the size a little. And let's centralize this just like this. And what I need to do again is to select this car, Ctrl C, and paste it here, right? So I can now make it a little bit smaller, centralized, and also hide it. Just bring it down another frame, yeah. So where we also reduce this a little. Let's centralize the model and make our car all visible. Yeah, and now we can now add, I already prepared this also, we can now add this into the frame. Centralize this. So we have the explore inventory and custom order. Okay, so to prototype this, let's switch to the prototype section and click on the first frame. So drag our interaction down to the next frame, and we leave it as on click, smart animate. The time 2500 milliseconds, just perfect for me. Let's do the same for all the 4 frames, and also do the same backward. backward in here, backward. And once that is done, click on the first frame and we say select it as a flow starting point. So these are flow starting points. Now let's preview our prototype. So you can see we start from here, move to the next, into the next, and just like that. Okay, so that will be all on today's video. If you want to see more prototype animation, come to the comment section and I'll be very glad to do that video with you. Interact with this video and share with your friends and everybody you feel or you know is going to like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel until I come your way in the next video. I remain Akinola Samuel. Bye for now.